Charlie here with Red Summit RF. Today I'm on top of Summit Mountain with Brian, W7JET over there, getting ready to fire up his rig. Today I'm doing something a little different. I am not going to use my paper log. Last summer, or actually this fall, on Lake Mountain, I used HamLog as my log, and there were a few things I didn't like about it. You have to put summit to summits down in the comments, and then you had to go back in once you export and move those into the log properly. So we're going to try VK Portalog today. I'm going to give that a shot, and we'll see how it goes. So to start with, I went to the Google Play Store to locate VK Portalog and download it. But what I found was it was not listed anywhere in the Google Play Store. And after going out to the internet for a little bit and searching the web, I determined that it was not located in the Play Store, but rather it was located in a Groups.io group, the VK3ZPF Portable Logger group. So I proceeded to ask for permission to join that group, and once I joined, I noticed that there was a files location called VK Portalog File Distribution. When I opened up that folder, I see that there's a vkportalog.apk file in there. And an APK file is the file for installing an application. And so I realized that we have to do a side load instead of a regular install on the VK Portalog. So I went ahead and tapped on that and download. And it's downloaded, and I'm going to open that. And then I click on install, and it's a rather easy and straightforward side load because right away it loads just like it would from the Play Store. Now there's a bunch of initial settings that need to be set up here, but at least I have it, and I can go forward from there. So I'll just click OK, and then you can see this is what the VK Portalog application looks like. Now I need to go through and make a few changes to things because when I'm operating on the hill, I'll need some of these changes. So under settings, I'm just going to go with the activation details. Operator's call sign, I'm going to put mine, NJ7V. Okay, that on-air call sign is going to be the same for me, NJ7V. And then my name, when I'm operating, is red. Activation type, we'll definitely want to change that to SOTA. And then the SOTA reference, I'll need to come in and change that when I'm actually activating that summit. So let me back out of there and go to logger settings. Startup mode, I'm going to go to CW, that's what I usually start up in. Landmark city. There really isn't one, so I'm going to have to do a user defined. And then the call sign hotkeys, I'm going to also do user defined. Main head locator, I'm going to actually use, for me, I'm going to use the always use GPS locator. And I think that's about it, other than the user defined values. I got to come in here, and distance is going to be miles for me. Call sign hotkeys, I'll come in later and change these, but what I need to do is change, put like a W1, and then the next one would be an N1. And then I'm going to go back out of here and go to internet settings. And I want to have this SOTA watch. I want to use that. Yeah, I guess that's it then. So now you'll see right here the W1, N1, W2. Those were the hotkeys that I set up. So I think I'm good to go now with the setup here. If I swing to the right, I can see the spots coming in now. And if I swing to the left, I can see how I would be spotting myself. And then here's where I would log. This is kind of a cool little thing, this pile up, where I can enter multiple calls and then just use them, or else clear them out as I have a pile up. One other thing, I'm going to change this QTH right here. I'm going to tap and hold on the word QTH, or the definition QTH, and when I do, then I'm going to change that to SOTA, and then the ref goes there, SOTA ref, instead of the QTH. I think that's it. We're good to go. Let's head back to the hill and let's see how this thing works. Summit reference is going to be CS026. CS026. $21,350. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. CQ, CQ.
Whiskey 4, Kilo Romeo, November.
Whiskey 4, Kilo Romeo, November. Whiskey 4, Kilo Romeo, November. Thanks for coming back to me. You are a 5959.
Okay, thanks. You're a 3x3, 33 into Virginia. QSL?
QSL, thank you for the 33.
Okay, thanks again. 73.
73. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. CQ, 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 CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, NJ7V calling CQ for summits on the air.
November Delta 0 Charlie.
November Delta 0 Charlie, you are 5959 QSL.
QSL Charlie, thanks. Great signal. 5757 into Minnesota, QSL.
QSL to Minnesota, thank you so much, and I appreciate the contact. 73.
73, take care. Be safe.
Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu.
Stand by, I got something I'm doing here. Hold on. All right, go ahead, Alpha Zulu, Alpha Zulu.
Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu.
Okay, yeah, Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu, Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu. You are 5x5, 5555 here.
5x5, you're 3x3 in New Hampshire from Alpha Charlie 1 Zulu.
Roger, Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 3x3. Thanks for the 33, and have a good one. 73.
Okay, Red, thank you.
November Juliet 7 Victor QRZ.
Kilo 0 Yankee Oscar.
Kilo 0 Yankee Oscar. Good morning. You are actually afternoon. You are 5959 over.
QSL, you're 5'6" in Moab, Utah. Name here is Mike. Over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you, Mike, for the contact. I appreciate it. Moab, Utah. Thank you, and 73 to you.
7-3, thanks for the activation.
Summit to summit, summit to summit.
Summit to summit. Go ahead.
Kilo 6 Echo Lima, Kilo 6
Echo Lima.
Kilo 6 Echo Lima, you are 5959.
Thank you. You are 5 and 151. And my peak number, Whiskey 6, slant, November Charlie 2, Niner 8. Whiskey 6, November Charlie 2, Niner 8. Over.
November Julius 7 Victor, November 1 Charlie Lima Charlie.
November 1, Charlie Lima Charlie. Well, hey there, Chris. Good afternoon to you. You're coming in 5'9".
Yeah, barely pulling you out, Charlie, barely pulling you out. We got you 535353.
Roger, Roger, 5353. Roger, Roger. Thank you for the contact. 73. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. NJ7V calling CQ for Summits on the air. Summit to Summit, Summit to Summit. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is Alpha Golf 6 November. Alpha Golf 6 November. My summit designator is Whiskey 6 stroke Charlie Tango dash 265. Again, Whiskey 6 stroke Charlie Tango dash 265. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, I've got the summit designator. Thank you so much. Let me ask you what your call sign is again. One more time. I have Alpha Golf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 November. Is it 6 November? Over.
Yeah, it's Alpha Golf 6 November. Alpha Golf 6 November. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, got that. And you're coming in about a 5'7", 57, 5'7", over. QSL the 33, QSL, thank you for the Summit to Summit. I really appreciate it. 73.
All right, thank you. 73.
November Golf 6 Romeo.
November Golf 6 Romeo, you are 5'9", 59, over.
Give me my signal report again, please.
November Golf 6 Romeo, November Golf 6 Romeo, 5'9", 5'9", 5'9", 59.
Okay, you came up quite a bit that time. You are 5'4", Southern California, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the Southern California contact. 73 to you. All right, well, we wrapped it up. Brian did really well on the water hole frequencies on the main bands, 20, 30, and 40. I kind of stuck with the higher frequencies. I was on 21 megahertz and on 18 megahertz. I didn't get quite as many as him, but it was fun to be up there and to get a few contacts. Got a few Summit to Summits and New Zealand contact. Was using VK Portalog today, and you know, I'm just a paper log kind of guy, so it's really hard to adjust. I had some struggles. I need to be able to figure out how to get that frequency in there and keep it, and so I don't have to enter it every time. But overall, it was much easier to use than the HamLog, I think, because you know, it had a place for the Summit to Summit, and in fact, I had 2 Summit to Summits, so it would have been a problem with HamLog. But this is fine. I got the log, and I'll report back on how easy it is to export those logs and put them into the SOTA database and also into Logbook of the World. All right, we're off. Thanks for joining me, and hope you enjoy these videos. If you enjoy them, there's more right here, and you can subscribe right up here. And so with that, we'll say 73 to you, and we'll catch you on the next summit. Take care.